Unlock $1,600 daily with Google News. Free money-making method in 2024. Welcome to Profitability Plus, the channel that's all about making money online without the hustle. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of easy earnings, showing you how to pocket up to $1,600 a day using Google News. No selling, no experience needed. It's as simple as copy and paste. Stick around because I'm also spilling the beans on 2 additional websites to double your earnings. So hit that like button. Let's get started. In this quick start guide, I'll walk you through the process of turning your Google News browsing into cold, hard cash. No corporate jargon here, just straightforward, effective steps. First step, type in google.com. Head to Google News and click on the first link, news.google.com. Welcome to the legendary Google News, your ticket to making money online. We'll be focusing on categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports, and more. Let's say you're interested in health. Click on that category, then dig into subcategories like fitness. Choose an article that catches your eye, and let's make some money. Second step. Now, head over to Spinbot.com. Paste the article into the left box and let Spinbot do its magic. This software rewrites the article in your own words, ensuring a unique piece of content. This step is crucial to avoid copyright issues. Once you've got your rewritten article, save it. Now, here's the kicker. You can make up to $1 for each word of this article. Keep it handy because we're about to sell it to websites that pay big bucks for your words. Stick around for the bonus website that dishes out up to $2 per word. Third step. Let's dive into making real money. First up, Eatwell.com. They pay $1 per word. No need to break a sweat. Your articles can easily rack up the dollars. And the best part? No selling or marketing required. You won't even have to deal with affiliate programs. Just follow the steps and you're on your way to earning. Next, we've got Popular Science, a site with a faster submission process. Send queries, and after they reply, submit the whole article. Check the screen for their email address. Focus on technology-related topics for this one. Last but not least, arp.org. They pay up to $2 per word, making it a lucrative option. Check out the writer guidelines on the website and submit your articles using the provided email. Remember, submit different articles to each website. To get paid, visit creativewritingnews.com for Eatwell. Scroll down for details on payment and send your article pitch to the provided email addresses. Follow these simple steps and you can start making money right away. No need to spend hours writing or invest any money. Whether you're in health, fitness, or technology, these websites offer endless opportunities. The more you engage, the more you earn. Please remember to comment with your country name for future videos tailored to your region. As a freelance article writer, you get to set your own pace, determine your prices as demand grows, and enjoy a steady income. If the first method doesn't quite hit the mark for you, here's a plan B, diving into the best sites that pay to write articles online. Let's get straight to the details. Now, let's explore some of the best sites that will pay you to write your own articles. Number 1. Wow Women on Writing. This focuses on female writers, business, freelancing, and training. The payment is up to $150 for a 3,000-word feature article. Tips: be creative, provide practical advice, and focus on the monthly theme. Join their informative and supportive community. Number 2. Strong Whispers. Content range, lifestyle, environment, and social issues. The payment is negotiable, typically $50 to $150 per published article. Tips: topics must be unique and impactful. Submit your best outline and fee expectation. Only high quality, original, and well-written articles are accepted. As you embark on this writing journey, remember that persistence pays off. Keep enhancing your skills, exploring new trends, and connecting with the writing community. If one avenue doesn't work out, there are always more opportunities waiting. Number 3. Linkable. $100 to $750. Linkable is a fantastic opportunity for top-notch authors seeking diverse writing projects across various industries. Founded by Jay Douglas, this platform connects skilled writers with businesses eager to gain mentions, links, and traffic for their websites. The potential earnings range from $100 to $750, depending on the sites you have authorship on or successfully pitched to. The niches covered by Linkable include business, finance, marketing, health, sports, tech, retail, and more. To get started, apply for an author account, showcasing your expertise in a specific area. Once approved, browse the available writing jobs, carefully read the specifications, recommend suitable sites and article concepts, and if you win the job, you write, publish, and get paid. Simple as that. Quick tip: focus on areas you're truly passionate about to increase your chances of success. Also, ensure your articles are free from grammatical errors, original, and aligned with editorial guidelines on word length, style, and tone. Cracked.com, $100 to $200. If you have a flair for humor and creativity, Cracked.com provides an entertaining opportunity to earn extra cash through article writing. No prior experience is necessary, making it an accessible option for those looking to dip their toes into the world of online writing. To get started, register on the site and head to the Writer's Workshop, where you can pitch your article ideas directly to the editors. Your content can include articles, photoshops, infographics, and videos, so there's room for a variety of creative expression. As of now, Cracked.com offers $100 per article, with the potential to increase $200 per article after 5 published pieces. If your article ranks in the top 10 for the month based on website traffic, you'll receive a $100 bonus. Additionally, there are opportunities for extra bonuses in the design section, such as $500 for a winning t-shirt design and $100 for a featured infographic. Number 5. Watch Culture, $25 to $500. Watch Culture is an online magazine based in the UK that provides news, opinions, and entertainment coverage to millions of users worldwide every month. With a focus on the popular zeitgeist, this platform offers a vast audience, attracting 5 million users monthly. Contributors, including writers featured on Sky News, Metro Radio, BBC Radio, Dublin FM, and national newspapers, publish several hundred articles each week. How to get started? Watch Culture has recently introduced a system that allows all writers to earn money from their contributions. During the beta testing phase, some contributors earned as much as £700 from a single article. The payment system is based on a per-view basis, rewarding writers whose content resonates with the audience. Those who can generate original concepts and execute them well have reaped substantial benefits. That's a wrap for today on Profitability Plus. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these money-making insights valuable and want more tips to boost your online earnings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Stay connected, stay profitable, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and those earnings growing.